Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos from tortillas. First, gather all your ingredients, like your favorite tortillas, a delicious protein, and fresh toppings. Next, cook and season your chosen protein to perfection. Finally, gently warm your tortillas on a pan or in the microwave to make them pliable and ready for filling. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to assemble your tacos. Take a warm tortilla and place a generous spoonful of your cooked and seasoned protein right in the middle. Then, pile on your favorite toppings, like a vibrant salsa, shredded cheese, or crisp lettuce. Gently fold the tortilla in half, and you've got a delicious taco ready to enjoy. Tacos are incredibly versatile, so don't be afraid to get creative. Try different proteins like fish or beans, and explore various sauces and vegetable combinations to find your favorites. When serving, set out a spread of toppings so everyone can customize their own. Enjoy your delicious, homemade tacos right away for the freshest taste. Congratulations, you've just made amazing tacos from scratch. Take a moment to savor the incredible flavors and textures of your culinary creation. Tacos are fantastic for a quick weeknight dinner or a lively gathering with loved ones. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.